Hey, welcome back to Try Trying Harder. Today we're unboxing this Euhomy, I assume? I think that's what it's called? CF027-20 car refrigerator. It's a nice portable cooler, alright? First, I need to thank Euhomy, sorry, and Best Buy for giving me this product to review. Now take a quick gander at this box before we rip into it. It's supposedly ultra quiet, less than 45 dB. It's got a 12 volt, 24 volt DC converter, and a 110, 240 volt AC. This thing will go as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty dynamic range. Obviously, this is what we're expecting it to look like. Let's check out this side panel. There's a built-in ice pack, so that's how you can chill when you're away from power. We got 15-minute fast cooling that gets down to 32 degrees in 15 minutes, or -4 and 45 with low power use. It's quiet if you want it camping or in a hotel room. We're trying to say right here that it's in between a whisper and normal chat. I don't know, right about here? Is that too much of a whisper? And then this will be pretty nice, especially if it's in the car. You got a smart app control, so you can monitor their temperature without having to go look at it. So far, pretty sweet. Pretty much the back says the same as the side, except with different pictures. Some nice additional details you might want to know. The freezer has a capacity of 20 liters, and it measures 24.8 by 15.6 by 15.0, and it weighs about 26.2 pounds. It's about right. That's what it felt like lifting it up here. So let's see what this 21 quart fridge looks like. Let's knock it down a notch. Open up. Here's the inside. Get this out of you. Yeet. Think this is the best way to pick it up? Oh, nope. Gotta just yank it out. Oh, lid comes off. This isn't too heavy. It's just awkward. Yeah. There is a nice little cooler with a little box. Put this back together. Whoops. What's in the little box? Whoop. What you would expect. Cables and a manual. There's your user's manual, and the energy thing guide. I'll have to peruse this before I use it. And then what you might be interested in, the cords. So here's the plug if you're gonna do AC. Here's the plugs if you're gonna do the car. Decent length cord, it seems. The power brick that goes with it for plugging it in to AC. Now here's the front. Here's to get your apps. Nice thing with the lid, as you saw. It has a latch here, but the latch isn't very good. It still just pulls up. But you can take this off and reverse it. It slides in that way. We want to change the way that it opens. Now taking a gander of the inside, here's that ice pack that it said it came with. Looks like you gotta fill it with water. Put it in there, and then got upper tray here, and then the divider. Got a generic can to throw in here. So it looks like it's gonna hold 2 cans wide, probably 2 cans tall. About easy 3 cans deep. So you can estimate 2 12-packs. So you got 2 carrying handles and then 2 on each side. These little plastic things, I want to say they're for straps. Strap it down. They don't look very solid, but in the owner's manual, they didn't call them out. So that's what I'm guessing they are. Way heavier on the left-hand side because that's where all the cooling is. Here's where you're going to plug in, and there's your display with the controls on and off and what have you. And the back. Pretty simple, pretty compact. I'll have to give this a try. All right, let me download the app, go try this out on a few trips, see how cold it gets, how well it does. Traveling and fitting all the stuff that we need to freeze in it, and I'll swoop back through with the review video. A good side note though, I'm pretty lucky because this was sitting flat for a while. You really need to wait probably 2 to 4 hours for like the compressor oil to settle when this has been shipped before you turn it on, like with any refrigerator product. So don't forget. But thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this little guy. What would you like me to try out for you? Again, thank you for Euhomy and Best Buy for giving this product a review. And I guess when it comes to me doing some research to know how to pronounce the manufacturer's name, yikes, I'll try trying harder.